Vivo S6 5G. Expected to be the successor of S5, the Vivo S6 5G is anticipated to come with the latest upgrades as it will feature a notable dual-mode 5G network, which will support both SA and NSA networks. Speculated to carry almost every latest feature of the smartphone like the latest OS version with powerful hardware configuration, huge inbuilt storage space and massive battery capacity under the mid-range price, the device has created a buzz among the buyers. Dual-mode 5G offering with SA and NSA networks display and camera. As per its speculations, Vivo S6 5G is expected to feature an IPS LCD display of 6.57-inch (16.69 cm). The IPS display features a screen resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and 401 pixels per inch pixel density, ensuring a vibrant appearance to the Full HD Plus screen of the device. The smartphone is expected to get a quad-camera setup with a 4.8MP primary camera followed by 8MP ultra-wide-angle and two similar 2MP lenses. The front fascia will sport a 16MP selfie camera embedded in the punch hole of the display, enabling HDR images along with a good video calling experience. Performance and battery. The S6 5G is speculated to be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset, further backed up by 6GB RAM. The strong hardware configuration will ensure a seamless and hassle-free performance to the device, making it free from any lags. The battery capacity of the smartphone is supposed to be 5000 mAh, equipped with 18W fast charging technology, which will provide good battery life with greater day-to-day output. Storage and connectivity. The internal storage capacity of the smartphone is anticipated to be 128GB, which is expandable up to 256GB. The operating system of S6 5G is expected to feature Android 10, customized with UI FunTouch OS. The connectivity of the phone is anticipated to offer dual-mode 5G SA and NSA networks and 4G LTE network, dual SIM, Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot, USB Type-C port, Bluetooth and a GPS with GLONASS. Vivo S6 5G price. Vivo S6 5G price is expected to be $327.90, 24,999 rupees. Vivo S6 5G expected to be launched on March 31, 2020. This is 6GB RAM, 128GB internal storage base variant of Vivo S6 5G, which is expected to available in black, gold color. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.